Hello guys, what's up? So back again with the new video. So in this video we are making an off-road RC car in a small size. So this is the rear axle. I made it in the last video, and if you want to watch the proper video of making RC car axle, I will put the link in description, and also for the steering system. So this is the gearbox motor. You can find it online, you can buy that. And now let me show you how it will work. In the recent videos I made a drift car using the same axle. So this is the front steering system. I also posted a video related to this steering system in my link. And this is the normal tire and the body I am using for the car. So after that I just cut some long pieces of PVC pipe and attaching that to the steering system and the rear axle for as a chassis. And in the next video we will add some receiver on it and battery space and the body proper, and in the next video we will see the result of how fast is it and how strong is it. So keep watching my videos. See you in the next part.